Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to my channel. And today we are going to do vegetable gardening. I have couple of seeds, which is red amaranth, cluster beans, brinjal green, sweet corn, fenugreek, red onion, brinjal black, spinach, pumpkin, lettuce, watermelon, cabbage, ladyfinger, sponge gourd, turnip, radish, white bottle gourd, and so many of them. But I'm only planning to put ladyfinger today, in which I have 20 seeds, and I'm going to put it in this tray. Okay, it's not visible here, so I'm going to put it in this tray. 20 seeds would be enough here. Okay, so let's start the video. First thing what I'm doing right now is soaking the seed in this mud, right? So that the seeds which are dried right now will get moisture and will be ready to get into the mud and will not take much time to grow. The sapling wouldn't take much time to grow. So let's just start and do it. Let me get this is the ladyfinger seeds which are 20 in number. Let's unbox it. Now to look at the seeds. One fell down. Let me grab. Get the seeds. See, this is how the ladyfinger seeds look like. Let's put one by one. 1, 2, 3, 19, and 20. We've got extra. They have put 20 seeds on the wrapper, but they have given more just in case if we miss, just like how I did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 more are there. So I'm going to preserve it later. And this is how I'm soaking it. I'm gonna soak it for half an hour, and by the time, let's make the mud tray ready. Alright, so now I've got the soil. The soil is mixed with the vermicompost. Let me make it nice and muddy and keep the hard stones aside. So good. Let me make it nice mix. If you see my previous videos, there is a video called Active Farming with the school children. There we have taught how to do farming for all the age groups. So you can check that video out. Taps. 1, 2, some water. Hold on. You should see the smell. The smell is exactly when it rains, and the smell you get. It's exactly smelling like that. So after half an hour, we will put the ladyfinger seeds into this and let the seed grow. Alright, now we are ready with the tray, and I am putting the water again once again so that it's properly wet the soil. And I'm going to make some holes into this and then cover it off. Few people leave the food without eating completely, but you don't know how much time it takes for a farmer to grow for it. So right now I am doing the seeding. Okay, and let me wrap it up in the nice mud and soil. Perfect. Now all the seeds are in, and just pushing the mud on it. Perfect. We have given enough water. All set now, and I will see and I will show you if this grows in the video shot, YouTube shot. Okay. All right. Until then, I'll see you. Thank you so much for staying tuned in.